Hi everyone, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with my Country Craft Creation Design Team package. And it's spring in the air. Not yet here in Ohio, but it is wishful thinking because it's been quite cold. These last 2 days have been pretty warm, so you know it's a hit and miss right now. But then again, it's Ohio, so I am bringing you a spring collection, and it has very bright colors. It's Echo Parks Spring Fling, and it's pinks and greens and yellows and oranges and just all colors that you think for spring. And it also has some cute little bugs and some gardening and some sayings. So very cute for like a little girl layout or mini album or gardening, and just kind of looking at all the different sayings. Live life in full bloom. This is a really cute saying. Hello sunshine, I was made for sunny days. Let's go to, I got some patterns here. First we'll do the collection, and again it's Echo Parks Spring Fling, and this one is this nice, it's not teal, it's like a light teal with some little daisies on it, so that's cute. And on the back we have just some florals, some greens and pinks and yellows. And these are not typically colors that I use a lot of because my daughter's older now. I did when she was young, but she's grown out of it, I guess. So I'm using it a little bit. Some cut-aparts, which are really cute. I really like the cut-aparts. And then a nice floral, same colors, the teals, light blues, yellows, reds, oranges. Cute. And then we have a plaid. Definitely can be used for Easter, and they're just nice like pastel colors. And got a check, and then some 4x4 cut-aparts. 4x4 cut-aparts are super cute for pictures and placeholders. Oh, some kites, perfect for spring. And for these rubber boots, it's just really funny. Cute. You can see the different colors of pink here, red. There's the lime green on the buckle, the two different colors of blue. And then butterflies. And some 4x6s. I like the little patterns on the butterflies. It's got polka dots and checks. And that plaid. Cute. And then you guys see in the sticker sheet. And then we have some matching authentique. So this one's called Orange Blossom. And of course it goes perfectly with the orange in the collection. And it's got a stripe on one side and a polka dot on the other. Two of those. And then we have a green that again matches perfectly, and this is Limeade by Authentique, and it's got the dots on one side. We have a pink, and the pink is called Tickled Pink. Matches perfectly. And we have the blue, robin egg blue. That's what I've been trying to think of. Should have looked at the pattern or the solids first. The spectrum. Okay, so there's the blue. Of course, we got some chipboard. This 12x12 chipboard is really nice. It's like a, they say it's a medium weight, but it's pretty heavy duty. It's what I use for all my albums. And then I have some ribbon. red with white polka dots, a really wide sheer ribbon. I have some floral, cute, and then seam binding in red, pink, green, and yellow. Perfect. And then my favorite part, I have these butterfly dies. And these butterflies, I bet, match the butterflies on this pattern paper perfectly. So let's grab the pattern paper. Here, yep, there we go. This, and they're bigger, they're not the same size, but if you look, it's this butterfly, this little red butterfly, and this, let's see, this guy is right here. You see him? A little different. That one is, but the other ones are exactly the same. So super cute, super cute. We will do some different things with these little guys here. So you guys hang out with me. Grab your paper. I'll link all the products down below from countrycraftcreations.com, and I'll see you next week with a project. I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.